Hi, good morning. I'm back. Today, let's do the second house and the karatatvas of the second house and how we will relate the second house to the various lagnas. What I'm planning to do is I'm going to use the same charts that I have used in my previous lagna chart, that is the lagna rashi. I have used the lagna bhava. The same charts I will use for the second bhava, third bhava till the 12th bhava, right? So you have a comprehensive idea for an Aries lagna. These are the 12 houses and these are the results that can be possible and variations according to the planet, right? So let us look at the second bhava. The second bhava stands for family phase, wealth, right eye, speech, truthfulness, learning, childhood, flow of money, and also death. The second house is responsible for our family life, how we earn and spend our money, how we accumulate it, what are the types of indulgences we have, likes, food habits and dislikes of food habits, the learning abilities. Usually during probably 50-60 years ago, our parents would be our first teachers. Today we definitely send our child to a nursery school by the time the child is 2 years old, or pre-nursery school by the time she's 2 years old. Therefore, learning, primary educations are the factors of second house. Quality of speech or the type of speech, ability to concentrate, truthfulness or being semi-truthful is what the second house talks about. It also talks about the body part like the face, the nose, mouth, eye, the right eye, the neck. Venus is the karaka for the beauty like face, nose, eyes, hair, mouth. Karaka is Venus. And for indulgence of food and for indulgence of wealth, the karaka is Jupiter. There are the sthira karakas. The second house is also represents death along with the seventh house. Okay, the second house represents death along with the seventh house. We will come to that when we come to the seventh house of death, how second house can get influenced. Okay, so this is the qualities, or these are the properties that we will study in our next slides. Okay, today I will do Aries, Taurus and Gemini.